Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title, we are going to be trimming my hair. So it's been like a really long time since I had my last trim and it's way overdue. So I feel like with the trim that I have in my head, it's probably not going to be, a trim. Probably it's going to be a little bit more on the, cut side. So yeah, let me show you guys what my hair currently looks like. And yes, it is dry and tangled. So I'm going to go off camera and wash it. And then we'll cut it once, or trim the ends once I am finished. So this is what it looks like right now. I know y'all can see the ends are pretty damaged in my opinion. It's really dry. I don't have any product in it or anything. So I'm about to go wash my hair. If you guys want to see my wash routine, go check out my last video. I'll have it linked down in the description box below, or I'll have it pop up as a suggested video at the end of this video. So yeah, let's get right into it. Be right back. Okay guys, so I am back. I just finished washing my hair. It's still really wet. Let me put this up. It's still really wet. Before we get into this, let me just say I'm not a professional. I don't know shits. I just joking. I actually do know some stuff. But yeah, I'm not professional anyway. This is just how I cut my own hair. So yeah, I'm going to be using a small tooth comb, a wide tooth comb, and some hair scissors. This one is by Brittany. So yeah, this is like really sharp. I do recommend that you get a shears, like a hair scissors, because you don't want to use a regular scissors because it's just going to create split ends, and of course we don't want that. So I'm just going to unbraid my hair and we can start cutting in sections. So let's start with the back. I'm just going to take out a section and I'm just going to comb through. So you guys see where my hair gets so thin at the end here. So I'm literally just going to snip this piece right here. I'm just going to snip that off. What I'm going to do now is just twist my hair. And let's see if the thickness of my hair goes all the way down. So it looks like this. Like this. So I'm just gonna snip a little bit more off. So we have these two pieces and we're going to move to another section. So this is what my hair looks like after the snip. And this looks pretty cool to me. Now I'm going to repeat the same steps. I'm just going to comb through. I feel like this piece is too much of a big section, so I'm going to divide that into two and comb through. I'm going to use these two fingers as a guide all the way down. Alright, where my hair starts to get really thin and brittle, right here, I'm just going to snip that off. So here's the other piece. Let me tell y'all, snipping out little pieces like this, that ass goes a long way, you know. I'm just gonna twist that. So let's move on to the other section. Okay, so I'm finished trimming half of my hair, this half here. So what I want to do is basically comb out the two sides so y'all can see the difference, right? I'm just going to unloose this side and comb it out so you guys can see. So if you look closely at the ends, see how thin they get? Now I'm just going to unloose these. I did trim quite a bit off, even though it looked, that's what I was trying to say, it looks like a little bit, but when you really check it out, it takes away a lot of length from your hair. So that's why I feel like people always get too carried away when they trim. And that's why I don't trust anybody to trim my hair, because I know how easy it is to think. How easy it is to think that, you know, you're just doing a little trim, but then actually it ends up being a cut. Okay, so here's the difference. You have this side that looks really damaged and really stringy to the ends, and then this side looks a bit more fuller because it's all even, and yeah, it looks healthier. So do you think this side looks better? Comment which side you think looks better, the trim side or the untrimmed side. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and trim this side of my hair, and I'll show you guys the finished product. This is what the ends look like together versus okay guys, so I'm finally finished with this side, no, my entire head. So I'm just going to comb it out so you guys can see what a difference it made. I'll put a side-by-side clip of what it looks like before I trimmed it and what it looks like right now. The results, the ends of Okay guys, this is the hair that I snipped off. It looks a bit thin because my hair is still wet, but yeah, leveled and looking healthy. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so y'all are notified every time I post a video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.